Sergiti Hansepi. Now calling the beautiful couple as a showstopper, Mr. Vibhu Taron and Chinta Kropi. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this lovely couple, Mr. Vibhu Taron and Mrs. Chintu Kropi. Telling you about Mr. Vibhu Taron, he's a dashing Karbi actor and also have been featured in the Netflix. So please put your hands together for this lovely couple, Mr. Vibhu Taron and Mrs. Chinta Kropi. Now I would like to call upon the designer of this jewelry collection, Miss Marcella Kropi and Miss Sergiti Hansepi. Please put your hands together for these amazing jewelry designers, Miss Marcella Kropi and Sergiti Hansepi. And I would like to call upon Mr. Mohan Burman, retired Assistant Director of Sericulture, to please come over the stage and felicitate the lovely couple.